You definitely don't want to do this inside. It's toxic as hell. You should be wearing a mask, really. You can get this plastic in all these different colors. This one I think you can get from Amazon. I don't know, probably Michael's craft stores and such too. Probably sell it. Probably plastics, moldable plastic pellets. Some of this stuff, it'd be good to have like a wooden popsicle stick to put behind it for support. I mean, this part I did the duct tape so that it wouldn't, just push through. The problem is it's like not actually the same plastic, so it kind of, it's on there, but I need to do that backside. And it's going to greatly reduce the water coming in, but how long is it going to hold up? I don't know. It depends on how rough you are with it, And if you care about cosmetics, you can paint it, sand it all, and paint it. This bin's in fine shape still. The lid's just in rough shape. I need to sand it down some. So that the handle fits back on there again, or the snap there. I actually pulled this out of the dumpster, so. Mr. Thrifty. You know, you gotta be thrifty, my friends. You gotta be thrifty. Especially when you're an unemployed eBayer with a crazy girlfriend. So that's how you mold plastic. Kinda. I'm no expert, but let me show you what I have made. That's pretty dang nice. You can heat that stuff up in the microwave in hot water is the way you're supposed to do it. This broken tripod. I did this whole top piece, which has ended up really cool looking with the gray and the black like that. And that ain't going nowhere, man. This stuff is rock solid. And then this was kind of tough, spanning those parts, because this thing was just a busted piece of junk, cheap little tripod. But reinforcing it like this, you can't fold it up, but heck, it works as a tripod now, where before it was trash because these had cracked up in here. But yeah, you can sand this, paint it, and you're good to go then. And this stuff ain't going nowhere. I mean, it is solid. And that looks really cool anyway. But I would like to sand and paint that. I have this issue with these things. I've tried the glue, but I'm thinking about taking the plastic, and you're basically no longer going to be able to configure it. But once they've gotten wore out, you can forget about configuring them anyway. You might as well just get them in a good position, and that's all I want with this anymore, is just to be able to have it in a position to film without it falling over. Some of them are cracked is one of the problems if you look closely.